So much for logging on to abc15.com. I'm Allison Rodriguez. Hold on to your hats today. Take a look at Futurecast here. As we go ahead and press play on this one, we can actually see in through the evening, we're going to see a disturbance that we are tracking right now. It's going to bring rain and possibly snow up into those higher elevated areas of the high country today. For us, we're going to be seeing breezes from this one here and a little bit of cloud coverage at times, but we are still going to stay mostly clear as this one moves on out. By tomorrow morning, I think we're going to be mostly clear, and for sure by Wednesday, I think that system will have gone out and most of the state will be dry by then. But we do still have to get through the wind and the rain, specifically up in the high country. So Flagstaff, we're talking about a 60% chance for some rain today and into tomorrow as well. None for us here in the valley. We're going to stay pretty dry, and the high country will dry out as well by the middle part of this week when we track a second disturbance. That will change on Saturday and Sunday when we bump up those rain chances to about a 20% shot. So for Phoenix today, Monday topping out at 85 degrees, a warmer day than yesterday where we topped out at 82 degrees. Your UV index is still going to be in the high category. We're at a 6. Air quality is moderate, but not because of ozone anymore. It's actually because of dust. So keep that in mind. No other weather alerts and no rain chances for us here specifically. Here's the temperature breakdown for today. By lunchtime, upper 70s, we're talking mid 80s as we get into the afternoon. Even the evening temperatures are going to be a little bit more on the mild side. We're talking mid to low 70s across the valley by the time we get to 9 o'clock. We do just have to get through these breezes here. So for us here in the valley, we're already seeing them kick up a little bit, but we are expecting those sustained winds to be from 10 to 20 miles an hour, 30-mile-an-hour gusts, even stronger up in the high country, which is why we have a wind advisory that we need to go over. That's going to be everything that's shaded in tan here, already in effect now. That will not expire at this point until 8 p.m. But make sure you have that free ABC 15 mobile app, because if that gets extended, we'll be sure and push that out straight to you. And just make sure if you're going to be traveling through there or you know somebody who is, that you're extra careful on those roads. Take a look at this. If you're going to be heading out to Glendale for the University of Phoenix Stadium out there for the Final Four championship game. So excited. March Madness coming to an end. All good things, right? But today, 6:20 game time there, 83 degrees in Glendale at that time. We are still expecting those strong winds. So we're a winner in that sense, but who's going to come out on top? UNC, Gonzaga. You'll have to tune in a little bit later on for that. As we look at our forecast highs across the state, we're talking 60s up to the north of us, 50s in Flagstaff and into the Grand Canyon. Not too bad in Kingman. We're going to sit in the low 70s today. We will see those warmer temperatures out to the west and flirting with 90 degrees in Yuma. Now for us today here in the East Valley, we'll be topping out in the mid to low 80s today. Those morning temperatures still staying a little bit on the cool side. You see us dropping into the mid 50s for tomorrow morning. In the West Valley, our highs today are going to be in the mid 80s. We're talking 84 in Peoria and Glendale, 85 in Litchfield Park, as well as Goodyear and Avondale. Those morning lows again dropping into the mid 50s, so it's still going to be a little bit on the cool side, but the afternoons are looking nice. Now let's take a look at what we can expect for the next 7 days. Our temperatures will drop just a little bit for tomorrow. We're talking upper 70s, low 80s across the valley, and then we rebound quickly by Wednesday. Look at that. We're up to 87 degrees. But look what happens Thursday and Friday. The warmth is on. We're talking low 90s then, and then things will slowly level off a little bit by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday.